Dumela moithuti wa Setswana. Nnyaa, ga wa latlhega. E santse e le kanale ya ga TT, tsala ya me. Re dirile mmogo mo thutong e. Re dumelane gore ke e tlhotlhe. Jaanong, a re e bone. 20 Setswana words you didn't know came from Afrikaans. Now, Afrikaans is a South African language that originated in the Cape Colony. In 1652, the Dutch arrived at the Cape. They were later joined by the Germans and the French. As time went on, they interacted with the San and the Khoikhoi, who are the First Nations of South Africa, together with the Nama. The First Nations became slave labor at a later stage, and more laborers were brought in from Dutch territories in the South Asian countries. All these people contributed to the vocabulary of Afrikaans as it stands today. So Afrikaans is widely spoken throughout South Africa and Namibia. As a result, it has come to influence Setswana as well. So now what we have here is a list of words that many people do not know that they were actually derived from Afrikaans. They have been Tswanalized, so to speak. So now the first word there is bereka. Bereka was derived from the word werk. The V sound in Afrikaans is written with a W. So bereka is werk. The proper word is dira, which means to work. Bereka means to work. The second word is borotho. Borotho was derived from brood. The Tswana word for borotho is senkgwe, and it means breed. Borukgwe is the third word. It was derived from broek, meaning trouser. That is the only word that is used for trouser in Setswana. Tjhelete is another word derived from Afrikaans. It was derived from the word geld, which means money. The word in Setswana is madi. The first people to derive the word were Sesotho-speaking people who do not have the h sound, as in Afrikaans and Setswana. So the word tjhelete became more famous. The fifth word is fiela, which was derived from the word fear, which means to sweep. The proper word is phaila. And then gala. Gala is usually used more in the South African context. It means the gallbladder. The proper word is santlhoko. Santlhoko. And then the word hira, derived from the word hir, which means to hire. The proper word is thapa. However, I have never seen the word thapa being used for hire when you hire out a place to stay. So there you would use the word hira. Going on, the next word is the word ketane. Ketane was derived from the word keteng, which means chain. And then kawusu means stocking. Konomaka or kolomaka was derived from the word skoonmak. The proper word is pepperfatsa, meaning clean. Konopo is derived from knoop, and it means button. Korong, derived from koreng, meaning wheat. Then the word lebenkele. Lebenkele was derived from winkel, meaning shop. Libidi. Libidi means wheel, and it was derived from wiel in Afrikaans. The proper word is leotwana. Leotwana. Lelomo or leblomo was derived from the word blom. It means flower, and the proper word is cheshe or situnya. Namune means orange, and it was derived from the Afrikaans word lemoen. Rekere, meaning rubber, was derived from the word reker. Sekepe, derived from skep, meaning ship. Situlo, derived from stool, meaning stool. Sesepa, derived from siep, meaning soap. The proper word is molora. So that is my list of Setswana words derived from Afrikaans. Reminders of many other words I have left out. Thank you.